Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Today I want to share with you is a diamond painting. Diamond painting is an easy and enjoyable activity for crafters young and old. All of our kits include the printed canvas, colored diamonds, pickup pen, tub of wax, bead tray, and easy to follow instructions. Subscribe to Handiworks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. Look at your chart and determine which color diamond to use. Diamond painting kits are available in a variety sizes and styles from simple to elaborate, so crafters of all skill levels can find a project to enjoy. Applying the diamonds is a simple 3-step process that is meditative and relaxing, providing hours of enjoyment as you recreate your design. Unroll the canvas and tape it down onto a flat surface. Dip the tip of the applicator tool into the wax. The wax will enable you to pick up the diamonds. When you peel back this plastic film, the chart area will be sticky. It is recommended that you do not remove the entire piece of plastic at once. Look at your chart and determine which color diamond to use. Take the time to position the diamonds with the flat side down. The diamonds need to be in this position to use the applicator tool. Press the tip of the applicator tool to the rounded side of the diamond. Simply follow the code and apply the different colored gems to the corresponding pixels on the canvas. The process can look intimidating, but it is actually quite simple. Once you know what to do, you can find the project both relaxing and rewarding. Production process is simple that you can spend less time to complete. Continue applying gems until the picture is complete. Easy. Bigger the picture means better resolution and sharper details, and finished diamond painting picture shines more. But for the beginners, the smaller size is better. Diamond paintings are beautiful wall art that you bring to life yourself. It's easy, fun to do, and very addictive. Simply hang it on the wall. It will make your room and your world amazing. Subscribe to Handiworks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos.